Hi, so I have here the MacBook Air, which I've been using for 2 years, and I've made a lot of videos on it. But finally I broke down and I got myself the M2 MacBook Air, which I have right here. And of course I got it in midnight black, or is it midnight blue? But the midnight color. And yeah, let's open it up. So you have the box, you get of course the MacBook itself. We'll unwrap this in a minute. Then you get yourself the MagSafe wire adapter in its color matched, which is very nice. And then of course you have the usual paperwork, but of course you also get the Apple stickers, if I can just get them out. Right here. Yeah, black Mac stickers, very nice. And finally the power adapter, which as you can see has two ports right here at the back. And so I will be using this over the coming days and making more videos about it, but let's just unwrap it for now. And let's see what it looks like. And as you can see, it's a seriously good looking machine. It's very nice to look at. Yeah, right there. Beautiful shot. So I'm just going to open it up, set it up, and yeah, look at this. And I'm at this step right now. I'm finally going to take this off. So I'm going to be making a lot of videos about this going forward. Both my old MacBook Air and the new one, the M2 MacBook Air, are 8 GB 512 hard drive, and so I will be doing some head-to-head videos between these two. I do eventually intend to sell the old one, but before that I'll be doing comparison videos between these two, so please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already so you don't miss them, and I'll see you in the next one shortly. Thanks.